Did you know that adding certain natural ingredients to your tea or coffee can help fight diseases and boost your overall health? Stick around to find out which ingredients can transform your morning brew into a powerful health elixir. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how you can enhance the health benefits of your daily tea or coffee by adding some powerful, natural ingredients. These additions not only elevate the flavor but also pack a punch when it comes to fighting diseases and boosting your immune system. We all face common health issues like inflammation, digestive problems, low immunity, and high blood sugar levels. While over-the-counter medications are available, they often come with side effects. What if I told you that you could address these problems naturally, right from your kitchen? Let's explore how incorporating these natural ingredients into your daily beverages can make a significant difference. Let's dive into the 10 natural ingredients that can boost your immunity and help fight diseases when added to your tea or coffee. First up, we have turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice isn't just for curries, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and curcumin can help fight it effectively. Studies have shown that curcumin can reduce inflammation and improve symptoms of conditions like arthritis, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and even heart disease. It can also boost the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports brain health and can potentially delay or reverse brain diseases and age-related decreases in brain function. Additionally, turmeric has been found to lower the risk of Alzheimer's disease by clearing amyloid plaques in the brain and reducing oxidative stress. For better absorption, pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. So, start your day with a golden touch by adding turmeric to your morning brew. Next on our list is ginger. This spicy root is well known for its medicinal properties. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger is fantastic for digestion and can help alleviate nausea, making it a great addition for those who suffer from morning sickness or motion sickness. It's also known to reduce muscle pain and soreness, which can be of great benefit if you're into regular workouts. Additionally, ginger has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and improve various heart disease risk factors in patients with type 2 diabetes. Studies have also indicated that ginger can help prevent cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger into your tea or coffee for a warming, health-boosting addition. It's especially great in the winter months for its warming properties. Who doesn't love the warm, comforting taste of cinnamon? This spice isn't just delicious, it's also incredibly healthy. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, which protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. One of the most impressive benefits of cinnamon is its ability to lower blood sugar levels. It can improve sensitivity to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating metabolism and energy use. Cinnamon also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help fight bacterial and fungal infections. Moreover, research has shown that cinnamon can lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. It also has neuroprotective properties that can help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Sprinkle a little ground cinnamon into your coffee or tea. Not only will it enhance the flavor, but it will also help you maintain your health in the long run. Moving on to honey, nature's sweetener. Honey has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. It's packed with antioxidants, has antibacterial and antiviral properties, and can help soothe a sore throat and cough. Honey is also great for boosting the immune system. It can help improve digestion and provide a quick energy boost. Raw honey is the best option to maximize these health benefits, as it retains more of its nutrients and antioxidants compared to processed honey. Honey also has wound healing properties and can be used topically to treat minor burns and cuts. Drizzle a little honey into your tea or coffee for a touch of natural sweetness and a health boost. When life gives you lemons, add them to your tea. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and supports the production of collagen, which is important for skin health. Adding lemon to your tea can also aid in digestion and help detoxify your body. It can help prevent kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in your urine, which can prevent calcium from binding with other compounds to form stones. Lemons also have antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help protect against infections. A splash of lemon juice in your tea can make a world of difference, especially during cold and flu season. It's a simple way to boost your health with a refreshing twist. Peppermint isn't just for freshening your breath. It's great for your health too. Peppermint tea can help relieve headaches, improve digestion, and provide relief from respiratory issues. The menthol in peppermint has a cooling effect that can soothe sore muscles and reduce inflammation. It's also known to help relax the digestive system and relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Additionally, peppermint has antimicrobial properties that can help fight bad breath and improve oral health. It's also been found to enhance cognitive function and improve concentration. Add a few fresh peppermint leaves to your tea for a refreshing and health-boosting experience. Cardamom is a spice that's often overlooked but packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants and can help with digestion, reduce blood pressure, and fight bad breath. Cardamom has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat various ailments, including digestive issues and respiratory problems. It also has diuretic properties that can help detoxify the body and improve kidney function. Cardamom is known to enhance oral health by reducing the risk of cavities and gum disease. Additionally, it has anti-cancer properties and can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Add a few crushed cardamom pods to your coffee or tea for a fragrant, health-boosting twist. Coconut oil is a fantastic addition to your morning drink. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that can boost metabolism, improve brain function, and provide antimicrobial effects. The MCTs in coconut oil are quickly absorbed and used as a source of energy, which can help you feel more energized throughout the day. Coconut oil also has antimicrobial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria and viruses. It's also been shown to improve heart health by increasing levels of good HDL cholesterol and reducing levels of bad LDL cholesterol. Coconut oil can also help improve skin and hair health when used topically. A teaspoon of coconut oil in your coffee or tea can give you a nice energy boost and help keep you feeling full longer. It's also a great option for those following a ketogenic diet. Now, garlic in tea or coffee might sound a bit odd, but hear me out. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. It can help reduce the risk of heart disease, fight infections, and lower blood pressure. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to have antimicrobial and antiviral effects. These compounds can help boost the immune system and protect against common illnesses. Garlic is also known to improve cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing blood pressure. Additionally, garlic has anti-cancer properties and can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. It can also improve bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. While you might not want to add raw garlic to your drink, you can opt for garlic-infused honey or a garlic supplement for similar benefits. It's a powerful way to boost your health naturally. Last but not least, we have ashwagandha, an adaptogen that helps the body manage stress. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can boost overall health and fight disease. Ashwagandha has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to improve energy levels, reduce anxiety, and enhance brain function. It's also been shown to improve sleep quality and support a healthy immune system. Ashwagandha can help lower cortisol levels, which can reduce stress and improve mood. Additionally, it has been found to increase muscle mass and strength, making it a great supplement for those who are physically active. Adding a bit of ashwagandha powder to your tea can help improve your mood, reduce anxiety, and support a healthy immune system. It's a simple way to enhance your overall well-being. Incorporating these natural ingredients into your daily tea or coffee not only enhances flavor but also supports your overall health. From boosting immunity to fighting inflammation, these simple additions can make a big difference in your well-being. I encourage you to try adding these ingredients to your beverages and share your experiences in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our next video. Is organic a scam? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.